February 2, the Feast of Epiphany or Candelaria. And since Christmas is very fast approaching, we will now give you for this part our famous Christmas melodies. Sa lahat po na makasulti, manaygon mi ninyo ang makakintindi sa Amerika. But seriously, dear brothers and sisters, your donations are most welcome as we embark on another mission to continue raising funds for the ongoing construction of our Diocesan Pastoral Center and the home of our elderly priests. Baskets will be passed around for that purpose. Mayo nakakagaghan, pero dili lang makaadto ng Amerika, makaulit pa yun. So thank you in advance and advance Merry Christmas.